Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Speakeasy Lounge. My name is Jennifer, and I'm your host here. Welcome to the Speakeasy Lounge. We have another Ren video. For some reason, I haven't gotten this one done. I've done quite a few, but I hadn't gotten to Sick Boy yet. I know he's got a new one out, the Unaliving song, but I'm in my live stream, and I didn't want to take any chances, so I'll do that one on a regular recording date instead of doing it during my lives. So we're going to do Sick Boy tonight, and I'm excited about it. It's got I've seen a lot of people reacting to it as a secondary to High Ren, which my personal favorite, other than High Ren, was the Tail and Jenny Screech. Just nutty, crazy. You know, I've heard it and watched so many reactions to both High Ren and Taylor, Jenny, and Screech now that I know all the words. I know all. I know them all. I know them all. It's sad, isn't it? I have that much time. Anyway, so we're gonna hop right into it. But before we do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel if you like my reactions, and turn on that bell for notifications so you know whenever I go live or upload a video, which I do go live on Mondays at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'd love for you to join us, hang out in the chat with other lounge lizards, and we just have fun. We have a little cocktail and hang out in great conversation, and just make fun of each other, and it's a lot of fun. Okay, High Ren, Sick Boy from Ren. Oh gosh, 3.1 million views in 5 months. All right, let's do it.
Hi Ren, thank you for coming in today.
Thanks for seeing me.
Looking at your file here, it seems there's a very apparent interplay with your emotional state and your physical body. Have you ever heard of the trauma response?
I don't think so.
Basically, our bodies can get stuck in a negative feedback loop. Our subconscious can repeat patterns from the past, which can have a pretty drastic downstream effect on our biology. Essentially, your mind is making you sick.
Troubling. Okay, so that's the pig from High Ren. So this was first.
Sick boy, bitten by a tick boy, looking for that fix boy, anabolic steroids, stem cell, poster boy, pass out, white noise, quick fix, snake oil, I'm about to break boy. Oh, what a shame, he's in pain, have another go, take another pill, here, take a couple more, let's see how you're doing in another week or so, you'll be feeling worse when the side effects will show, derealization, medical patient, losing patience with the process, walking hand in hand with Satan, complications with the medication, inflammation, dehydration, inhalation, aggravation, building up a toleration, drown, soccer, drown, soccer, drown, soccer, drown, I've been feeling like I'm drowning with my feet upon the ground, I've been screaming, I've been shouting, but I never make a sound, I've been looking for a way out, but I always seem to drown.
I'm gonna stop it right there. Wow, deep, intense emotions, and I understand many of those. I get it. I mean, wasn't bitten by a tick, don't have Lyme disease, but there's a lot of relatable things in there. Jeez.
Drown, soccer, drown, soccer, drown, I've been feeling like I'm drowning with my feet upon the ground, I've been screaming, I've been shouting, but I never make a sound, I've been looking for a way out, but I always seem to drown.
Is this all making sense, Ren?
Yeah, I think so.
Good. What I propose we do is we try to pinpoint the exact experiences from the past that are keeping you stuck. What can you tell me about your childhood?
I can't really think.
It's okay if nothing comes up right away. What I'd like you to do is take some deep breaths with me. In and out. In and out. Good. Now tell me the first thing that comes to your mind.
I feel like it's not me, it's the world that's it. We're given everything we need and we commoditize it. We consume, we destroy like we're parasitic. Science tells us that it's suicide and still we commit. I'm not sick, we are standing on a cliff in the name of progress. We jump off the precipice. I'm not sick, I'm the virus, you're the virus, hypocrite. How can you sit there with that smile on and tell me that I'm sick?
Oh, I gotta go back and I think play that again. He's just hit the nail on the head. He's political without being political. And no, that's not even the right word. Common sense.
It's the world that's sick. We're given everything we need and we commoditize it. We consume, we destroy like we're parasitic. Science tells us that it's suicide and still we commit. I'm not sick, we are sick. We are standing on a cliff in the name of progress. We jump off the precipice. I'm not sick, I'm the virus, you're the virus hypocrite. How can you sit there with that smile on and tell me that I'm sick? Sick boy, looking for a fix, boy. Push it down in public, quick pose for the pick, boy. Record label meetings to commodify your gift, boy. Why you so upset? Don't you wanna be a rich boy? Fuck no, industry is cutthroat. I've been doing bits by myself, swimming backstroke, walking on a tightrope, rapping with a slit throat. The way that we persist is like the ending of a bad joke. As the people evolve, we're complacent to assailants and we do what we're told. Counterintelligence is sight to behold. Rape the earth of all resources and we bleed it for gold. And we bleed it for wealth, we bleed it for fame. But when you bleed it, can you tell me what the fuck will remain? And I bleed in myself, I bleed in my brain. While I'm bleeding, I'm the reason, cause I'm doing the same.
Oh, that was too short. That was way too short. That was awesome. That was awesome. Okay. I know I read all the words and everything, but I'm going to probably go back and rewatch that again. And I didn't expect it to be that good. I don't know why I didn't expect it to be that good. It's Ren. Some of the stuff I like more than others. That was really great. I'm really glad I did that one tonight. I really, really am glad. That was something. Again, it's not, I'm not a big rap person, not a big hip hop person, not a big metal person. Like death metal, blah, 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 whatever. But again, there are exceptions to the rule, always. And this is definitely one of those exceptions. Because it kind of crosses genres. It's not just straight rap. And he's not full throat singing. He's making sense and just saying things in a way that is so relatable in so many ways, and the people with common sense can get it and understand it and pick up on that and are shaking their heads along the way all the time going, yeah, you're right. The guy's clever, he's smart, he's intelligent, he knows what's going on in the world, and he's not afraid to speak out about it, and I admire that greatly. Thank you again for being here. Again, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some info on this one in the comments. So I'm guessing this one was done before High Ren, and that's where the pig come in High Ren, the butcher pig. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me. Love you all, but I got to go, and I'm out of here. See you soon. Ciao.